Welcome to the top best. The best Amlactin Ultra is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for those battling persistent dryness and rough skin, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to transform your skin's texture and restore its natural suppleness. This advanced formula works diligently to exfoliate dead skin cells and deeply moisturize, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth, soft, and revitalized. If you're tired of lotions that just sit on the surface without providing lasting relief, Amlactin Ultra aims to penetrate deeper, delivering significant and visible improvements that you can feel and see. Number 5. Amlactin Foot Repair Cream. Introducing Amlactin Foot Repair Cream, your solution for dry, cracked heels and feet. This therapeutic cream is designed to soften calluses and deeply moisturize. With 15% lactic acid AHA, it works as a no-scrub exfoliator to reveal smoother skin. Experience superior hydration without harsh scrubbing. Specifically formulated to target dryness and cracking in heels. It helps restore the skin's natural softness and suppleness. This cream effectively softens rough calluses, making your feet feel more comfortable and look healthier. It's a gentle yet powerful treatment. Let it work its magic to moisturize and renew your skin. Enjoy smoother, healthier-looking feet with regular use. Simply apply it to your feet as directed. Its no-scrub formula makes it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What we like. This is a therapeutic foot cream designed for dry, cracked heels and feet. It acts as a callus softener and a no-scrub exfoliator, while also moisturizing. If you suffer from severely dry or calloused feet, this is the product for you. What people say. This lotion is a game changer for dry, rough, and bumpy skin. It contains 15% lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate and moisturize the skin. The lotion is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling smooth and soft. Number 4. Bliss Body Butter, Blood Orange and White Pepper. Introducing our luxurious body butter, designed to provide maximum moisture. It's the perfect solution for dry skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Indulge your senses with the vibrant blend of blood orange and white pepper. This unique fragrance offers a refreshing and uplifting experience. Enjoy continuous hydration throughout the day. This cream provides long-lasting moisture, keeping your skin comfortable and nourished. Whether you have dry or normal skin, this moisturizer is formulated to benefit everyone. It's suitable for both women and men seeking deep hydration. Feel good about your purchase. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, made with care for you and the planet. This generous 6.7 fluid ounces container ensures you have plenty of this incredible cream to enjoy. It's a staple for your daily skincare routine. What we like. This body butter offers maximum moisture with a blend of blood orange and white pepper. It provides long-lasting hydration for dry skin and is a vegan and cruelty-free option. If you're looking for an indulgent, ethical moisturizer that combats dryness, this is a great choice. What people say. This lotion is a game changer for dry, rough skin, leaving it incredibly smooth and soft. The thick, creamy formula absorbs well without feeling greasy, providing long-lasting hydration. It effectively tackles stubborn dry patches and flaky skin, revealing a healthier-looking complexion. Number 3. Amlactin Intensive Healing Therapeutic Body Cream. Are you struggling with extremely dry skin? Discover intensive healing that transforms your skin's texture and feel. This cream works as a no-scrub exfoliator, gently removing dry skin. It also deeply moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Infused with 15% lactic acid AHA, it effectively exfoliates. Ceramides help to restore your skin's natural barrier for lasting hydration. Experience therapeutic relief from the discomfort of severely dry skin. It's designed to provide comprehensive care and lasting comfort. Achieve smoother, healthier-looking skin with this advanced body cream. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This is a therapeutic body cream for extremely dry skin, featuring 15% lactic acid AHA and ceramides. It's a no-scrub exfoliator and moisturizer that provides intensive healing. If your skin is severely dry and needs deep nourishment and repair, this cream is highly recommended. What people say. It has a nice texture and it is not greasy. It absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. It is effective at exfoliating and improving skin texture. Number 2. Amlactin KP Bumps Be Gone Therapeutic Body Cream. Are you struggling with persistent rough patches and bumps on your skin? It can be frustrating to find a solution that truly works. Discover our Therapeutic Body Cream, specifically designed to tackle those stubborn KP bumps. It's a powerful yet gentle way to achieve smoother skin. This cream acts as a no-scrub exfoliator, working to gently slough away dead skin cells. You don't need harsh scrubbing to reveal softer skin underneath. Beyond exfoliation, it provides deep moisturization, making it ideal for dry, rough skin. It helps to restore your skin's natural hydration. Formulated with 15% lactic acid, a potent AHA, it effectively softens and smooths the skin's texture. This key ingredient helps to break down the bumps. Experience the transformation to visibly smoother and softer skin. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine for lasting results. What we like. This therapeutic body cream is specifically formulated to target keratosis pilaris, often referred to as KP bumps. It works as a no-scrub exfoliator and moisturizer to improve skin texture. If you struggle with rough, bumpy skin caused by KP, this product is designed to help smooth it out. What people say. This lotion is a game changer for dry, rough skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels incredibly soft and smooth after just a few uses. Number 1. Amlactin Crepe Firming Cream. Discover the therapeutic power of Amlactin Crepe Firming Cream. This advanced formula is designed to transform your skin. Experience a unique no-scrub exfoliation that gently removes dullness. It deeply moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. Formulated with a potent 15% lactic acid AHA, it works to improve skin texture and firmness. This key ingredient helps reveal a more radiant complexion. Specifically developed to address the appearance of crepey skin. It helps to firm and smooth, restoring a more youthful look. Enjoy the benefits with our large 12-ounce size. This generous amount ensures you have plenty of this effective skincare solution. Elevate your daily body care routine with this therapeutic cream. It's the perfect addition for achieving visibly firmer and smoother skin. What we like. This therapeutic cream is designed to firm crepey skin, acting as both a no-scrub exfoliator and a moisturizer. It contains 15% lactic acid AHA to improve skin texture and hydration. If you are concerned about skin laxity and want to improve firmness while also hydrating and exfoliating, consider this option. What people say. This lotion is very effective at smoothing rough and dry skin, leaving it feeling soft and hydrated. The Ultra Smoothing Lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, making it ideal for daily use. Users have reported significant improvement in skin texture and a reduction in the appearance of bumps and roughness after consistent application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.